So far, no, we are continuously having coordination with our AFP counterparts and our Coast Guard, no? At pinagtutulong-tulungan namin. And in fact, we have identified contingency like augmentation coming from the other regions within the Mindanao. Para at least yung deployment ng mga personnel natin from other regions, madali din silang makabalik. Kasi we are looking at very close immediately after the parliamentary election comes yung ating BSKE. So pag tinignan niyo masyadong close yung ano natin, no? Very close. So we expect also na this augmented PNP personnel will still need to go back to their respective regions. So kaya minabuti namin na we propose na ang augmentation will be coming only from regions in Mindanao, like Region 9, 10, 13, 11, and 12. And also with our special units like the SAF, the Maritime Group, HPG, they will be utilized as well. At wala pa dun yung ating AFP units na kung saan they will also be deploying their forces and to include the Coast Guard.
So mga ilan ito there?
Well, for the PNP, we are looking at close to 9,000 yung we will be deploying. And for them, the last time, if I'm not mistaken, baka nasa 2 or 3,000 din ang kaya nilang i-deploy. Kasi syempre, they are also addressing other security issues, like also the LTGs in the area. So, kasama yon. But they have committed. Narinig nyo naman kanina yung ating AFP and even the Coast Guard committed as well that they will be sending their forces to augment for this first Bangsamoro parliamentary election.